In this lecture, we are going to learn that how can we work with C++ programs with the help of Visual Studio Code, which is an IDE by Microsoft. We also used this IDE in the case of Python programming language. And if you want to learn that how can we install it, you can just simply head to that Python section. And here I showed that how can we install Visual Studio Code in Ubuntu operating system. Okay, so this is our VS Code or Visual Studio Code. I'll just maximize this window. And just like Python, we'll head to this extensions tab, and I will click here. And here, all you have to do is just type C++ and look for the extension by Microsoft, right? So this is the extension that we are looking for, and go ahead and install it. Of course, it's going to take a couple of minutes or seconds based on your internet connection. So I'll just skip the part of this waiting. Okay, so here you can see that we have successfully installed C++, and now all you have to do is just open up a new tab and just go to this right bottom of your window and click on this plain text. Here you can see when you will hover on this option, you will see select language mode, right? Just click here. And here, just select this C++ if you want to work on C++, right? So what I'll do, I'll just close this tab and I'll hit Control tilde to bring this terminal. Okay, so now all we need right now is just to write code. And just like we did in the previous lecture, we can write hash include IO stream. Then I will write using name space std, and then I will write int main, and inside I will write the body. Let's just go ahead and print hello world, right? So in these quotation marks, we will just write hello world, and then we will just write end line, and then return 0, right? So all you have to do is just save it. Let's just save this on the desktop. We can write it vscode.cpp, and here you can see as soon as you save this program, it is asking you to install an extension for C++, right? So if this message shows, then just go ahead and install it. If it doesn't, then just go ahead and compile your program, right? So we installed C++ package, but this is another extension which is called C extension pack by Microsoft. It seemed to be official that our VS Code will use. So we'll just wait for it to install. Okay, so as you can see, it's installed. We can simply just go back. Go to a tab where we were working, and here you after saving this file, you will see this play button here, right? So just go ahead and click on it, right? Just select your G++ build debug active file, and here you can see it's started to compile, right? Okay, so here you can see we have our output hello world with us. So that's how you can use your C++ programming with the VS Code in Ubuntu.